Hey guys, so I've been using the Boat Airdopes 411 for a couple of days now, and in this video I'll try and cover pretty much all the important stuff like the latency in video and the gaming and also the music quality, the battery life, and also the connectivity, the fit, and all the important stuff that you should know. So guys, please like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Let's begin the video. Now, if you look at the earbuds, they are pretty lightweight, and also they have these LED lights to indicate different modes, and also they have these ear hooks for a better seal, and they do stay in the ears. And also you can see these are angular, so yes, in terms of fit and seal they are pretty good, and even in terms of comfort I did not find any sort of a discomfort after wearing it for about 1 or 2 hours. Now, talking about the latency, there is absolutely no latency when you are watching movies or videos, but yes, when you are gaming, you will definitely notice some considerable lag or delay, so definitely it is not for gaming. In terms of Bluetooth range, it is pretty standard, but when you talk about the connectivity, I had issues with the Mac with other truly wireless earphones, but with this one I did not have any disconnection issues, so it does maintain a stable connection, which is really good. Now, moving to the music controls, you can play, pause, or also skip tracks using the right earbud. Double press to go to the next track and triple press to go back to the previous track. And guys, you can also control the volume using these earbuds. Use the left earbud, double press to increase and triple press to decrease. And guys, the volume level of the earbuds is independent from the mobile volume. I mean, even if you increase or decrease the volume on the earbuds, it does not change the volume level on the phone's volume, as you can see. So initially I thought the earbuds volume was not sufficient, but when I maxed out the volume on the earbuds at 16 steps or the volume level, then it was sufficiently loud enough. Now you can also invoke Google Assistant or Siri by just pressing and holding on any of the earbuds, and it will basically bring up the voice assistant as well. It does have the mic, so I tried calling and asked for the feedback from the other party, and they did not really complain much, so that's pretty decent. Here's the small sample. Hey guys, so this is now being recorded with the Boat Airdopes 411 in a quiet room, and let me know guys how this sounds, and I would say this is good enough for normal calls. Now, moving to the sound quality, these are mostly tuned towards enhancing the bass. I mean, the bass is something that most of people actually love. So the bass is boosted, but there is a lack of clarity and detail in the sound, and the mids and highs are pretty much recessed. I mean, you don't get to hear those subtle instruments in the mid range. The vocals are pretty decent, but they don't stand out, and the instrument separation is also poor. But yes, there is some good amount of bass, and there is that oomph in the sub bass region that you can feel. Overall, I would say these are not terrible, far from it. They are pretty much decent, and I can definitely rate it 7 out of 10. But again, like I said, the bass is something that is overpowering, which is something that I don't personally like. I would have liked a bit more balanced sound. But I still feel there is a certain section of people who might actually enjoy this kind of music, and I would simply say that these are typical hip hop earphones, and those who are into hip hop or EDM could probably enjoy it more. Now, moving to the battery life, the volume level on the earbuds is set at 12, which is about 75% volume, and the phone volume was at 85%. So roughly you could say this is about 70 to 80% volume, and I played music for about 2 hours, and after that I gave it a break, and then I continued playing music for another 1.5 hour, but I slightly increased the volume and played for another 1.5 hour before they got completely drained. So overall I got a battery life of 3.5 hours, which is pretty good for truly wireless earphones. And guys, be warned that don't listen at higher volumes, as it can damage your hearing capability. So guys, it took a lot of time and effort to make this video happen, so please like this video and also consider buying this from my affiliate link given in the description. It does help the channel. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you soon.